It was Diwali morning, and Gattu and Chinky were incredibly excited to celebrate the festival with great gusto. Chinky was taking pictures of different corners of the house with her smartphone, while Gattu was helping mom arrange the sofa cushions.
Gattu, should we shoot the intro for our vlog? Yes, let's get started. I'll set up the tripod.
Because this year there was another twist. Gattu Chinky started their own family vlog channel. Fun with Gattu Chinky.
Namaste friends, Happy Diwali. Today you are going to join us for the entire Diwali celebration. Along with this, we'll also share decorations, shopping and special moments. So don't forget to like the video.
While Gattu and Chinky were starting the vlog, Mummy was in the kitchen making special Diwali snacks.
Come on, let's include Mummy's cooking in our vlog too. Yes, the whole neighborhood is fan of Mummy's sugar candies. Hey, let me finish the work first. Then we'll take the interview.
From the kitchen to the decorations, everything was being captured. A little while later, Chinky searches for new decor ideas on her laptop, and Gattu films her in action.
So friends, Chinky has created a decoration master plan, which includes rangoli, lights and one handmade candle. And yes, this time we'll make a proper list before we go to the market. Otherwise, we will forget something like always.
Mummy also handed them a list of puja items.
And yes kids, don't forget the diyas, rolis, rice and prasad for Lakshmi Puja.
At 4 in the evening, Gattu and Chinky set off for the market. List in hand and phone camera in the bag.
And friends, now you all can see that we have bought flowers and diyas. And now it's time for the colorful bulbs. Friends, how do you like these rangoli bulbs? We really like them. These bulbs will add a touch of elegance to our Diwali decor.
The record button was being pressed every second. Sometimes Gattu would make a video. Sometimes Chinky would be the vlog host.
This lantern frame is perfect. Now we just need shiny paper and glue. And I need a rangoli stencil too. Mummy told me to make a flower design this time.
After full-on teamwork, a little fun, and a lot of creative planning, they came back home. Before nightfall, every corner of the house was aglow. Lights were up. Rangolis were made. And the brightest was their handmade chandelier.
Look, Gattu! Our chandelier looks the most unique. Yes, Mummy even said this is the star decoration of the house.
It was time for Lakshmi Puja. Gattu lit the diya, Chinky decorated the plate, Mummy chanted the mantras, and Papa told everyone to sit quietly.
Chinky, this moment should be in the vlog too, right? It's already being recorded. The camera is set in the corner.
Light was emanating from every corner, and there was peace in every heart. Gattu Chinky's friends arrived after the puja. But this time the celebration was a little different.
Hey, where are the firecrackers? We are celebrating a noiseless Diwali. So we just lighted sparkles and fuljaris. And look, you all will be seen in our vlog.
Their special vlog shoot continued amidst fun, sweets and music. The friends even did a little group dance together.
Say cheese and say Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali!
2 days after the Diwali celebration, Bhai Dooj arrived. And this time, Mummy handled the camera.
Smile both of you. I am directing this vlog.
Gattu and Chinky were dressed in traditional clothes. Chinky decorated the tilak plate and lovingly applied it to Gattu's forehead.
I pray to God only this, that you always remain happy, stay safe, and keep troubling me like this forever. In response, I should give a gift, right?
Gattu gave Chinky a pop-up scrapbook, which was filled with childhood photos, messages, and cute drawings.
Oh, Gattu, you made all this? With my own hands. I do annoy you, but I also know how to make you smile.
Mummy recorded everything. And at the end of the video, Mummy herself says,
This was a Bhai Dooj celebration vlog. A celebration of friendship, fun, and brother-sisters love.
After Bhai Dooj, everyone sat together at lunch table. Papa's jokes were enhancing the yummy taste of Mummy's puris, potatoes, and halwa. Everyone is going to love your vlog.
But what is more important than the vlog is that we all are together. Of course, Mummy. And this vlog will always be memorable. So come on, friends. If you really like our vlog, then like it, share it, and always be happy.
For Gattu Chinky, this Diwali was not just about lights and sweets. It was also about creativity, family, and love. You've got a parcel from Puntoon Kids.
Oh, it's here. Kids, why don't you go and open it? It is for you. Wow, Mummy, there are so many products in it. What is fishing fun, Mummy? I will give you one letter and you have to pick that letter with the help of the fishing rod. Wow! So we will learn letters while fishing. And see this, it is called fishing fingers. It will help you improve your eye-hand coordination. Hold this lace and try to put beads in it one by one. Mummy, it is a very cool gift. It has so many products. We are having a lot of fun with it. What box is this? It is Puntoon Kids Learning Box, which we are presenting